Today we are going to see Rabindranath Tagore's poem The Tame Bird Was in a Cage. Tagore was born on 7th May 1861 and died on 7th August 1941. And this poem is taken from Tagore's work Gitanjali. It was written in 1912 and it got Nobel Prize in 1913. The tame bird was in a cage, the free bird was in the forest. They met when the time came, it was a decree of fate. The free bird cried, "Oh, my love, let us fly to the wood." There are two birds in the poem. One is a free bird that lives in a forest, and the other bird is a tame that live in a cage. The two birds meet and have a conversation with each other. The cage bird whispers, "Come hither, let us both live in the cage." Says the free bird, "Among boughs where the room to spread one's own wings." The gist of the conversation is that each bird wants the other bird to come and join him. "Alas," cries the cage bird, "I should not know where to sit perched in the sky." The free bird cries, "My darling, sing the song of the woodland." The cage bird, "Sit by my side. I'll teach you the speech of the learned." The tame bird wants the free bird to come into the cage, and the free bird wants the tame bird to join him in the forest. The free bird says, "My darling, sing the song of the woodlands," to which the cage bird answers, "Sit by my side, I will teach you the speech of the learned." The forest bird cries, "No, no, songs can never be taught." The cage bird says, "Alas for me, I know not the songs of the woodlands." They also entreat negative elements in trying to convince each other that they are on the better side. Their love is intense with longing, but they never can fly wing to wing. Through the bars of the cage they look and vain in their wish to know each other. Here the free bird questions the cage bird and his home. Among bars, where is there room to spread one's wing? The cage bird says in return, "I should not know where to sit perched in the sky." They flutter their wings in yearnings and sing, "Come closer, my love." The free bird cries, "It cannot be. I fear the closed doors of cage." The cage bird whispers, "Alas, my wings are powerless and dead." The end of the poem illustrates that the free bird has better situation. You could argue that the cage bird is just looking for company in trying to get the free bird to join him. The final lines of the poem illustrates their powerful. He whispers to his friend, "Alas, my wings are powerless and dead." Thank you.